Hi there people, this time we're looking at CRO. Now this one for the day is up by 13.76% so far. It's looking really good. We're talking about where it is and talking about where it could possibly be going. Because for those of you who have been looking at this one over the past 7 days, well, it is a mixed story. From the high we are certainly down, and really even from the start of this 7 day period we are falling. We now have hit our lows, we're coming back up strong today, we're talking about whether this is it and where we could be going from here. Now, if it sounds like a good video, make sure to leave a like on it and do subscribe as well, but do of course remember, this is only my opinion and it certainly is not financial advice, so do your own research and come to your own conclusions. Now we're going to dive in and we're just going to have a quick look on this very simple chart and decipher what has been going on. So on the 1 day, you can see the trend, it has been quite nice and it has been quite steep. We're seeing this big run up all the way throughout the day, and from this point up here where we started to see the high, which was just under 66 cent, you will see we're starting to fall back down. So now we're coming back down to this low, this is around 62, we're coming back up a little bit stronger, all the way up to the 65 mark before falling once more, and really now starting to consolidate around 63, if not 62. You will see right now we're on the high side of 62, potentially looking to push again for 63. Now, as I said, the past 7 day, mixed story really. We're seeing these lows down here. If we have a quick look when we refresh a page, our lows are quite, significantly lower than where we are right now, and that is due to the fact that we have had that massive run up on the 1 day, which is nice, but yeah, our lows for the 7 day period, you will see, are sat around the 50 cent mark. So really for people who bought in at that 50 cent level, some nice profits will have been made, and we actually came back to touch that point almost touch that point again around here just yesterday, and now we're seeing that run up into today with a little bit of a sell-off, which is honestly quite understandable. I think this one is bound to sell off after the big push that we are seeing, but yeah, I don't think it's going to be too big of a sell-off in my opinion. And of course, a lot of wider market factors do influence this. For example, the trend on the general crypto market, which has been quite bad in the past couple of days. Crypto has been falling. We're seeing Bitcoin actually drop below what I would consider to be a nice support level. So you will see it's been a mixed story across the markets, but yeah, things do appear to be stabilizing now today, and let's hope that does continue to be the case into the next couple of days. Now 62 really isn't a bad level to be at. Now if you look at this one over the past month, you will see we're still seeing a really big run up from the start at 36, and come out to the 3 month, you will see we're still looking very, very nice. We are coming down from those highs, but I would actually like to see that, because as I mentioned before, if this one is going to sit high, from where it was and just keep climbing and climbing and climbing, that's all well and good to an extent, but we need to remember that if it is going to, just keep running up like that, eventually at some point people are going to want to take profits, and all that's going to do is cause it to dump, and people are going to get caught out, and people are going to get caught holding at extremely high prices. Seeing a bit of a sell-off like this, it gives us a bit more of a position to kind of consolidate, to kind of find a level where we're comfortable, and for people to take profits, and for other people to get in at a nice discounted level. Now, last time we published a video, I was talking about this level here, around 68. Now, we did appear comfortable there. Like you said, it didn't really hold for too long. It looked like it was going quite nicely, but of course, the wider market did start to drop a little bit, and so did this one. So we dropped all the way to these lows, you will see, coming back up from there. I think hopefully now this is it. I would like to say this is going to be the bottom for it, but as I have said, the market is looking quite volatile overall, and that is something which I certainly would factor into my trading or my investing if I was looking to get in right now. I think fundamentally it's not a bad price at all, but like I have said, depending on what the market is doing as a whole, and depending on what the market is going to do as a whole, it could definitely be dictative of the value going forwards into the next couple of days. So I think, looking at it from a technical standpoint, we do appear to be coming up now, which is good. Obviously a big green day today. We're coming down from those highs, as you will see by this big wick to the top side, but I don't think that's too big of a deal either. If we can consolidate into tomorrow, I think that is putting us in a great place, but really, more than consolidation this time, actually, I want to see more growth. I don't want to see too much consolidation tomorrow. I want to see us get back on that growth. Hopefully we'll get all the way up to the 68 level, and potentially that could work as a bit of resistance for us, but it is a little while off. So, as I said, be careful out there, guys. If you think it's a good price to buy in, of course you can do that. If you think it's not the best price, perhaps wait. But like I said, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just providing my opinions based on what I'm seeing on the chart. So, I'll see you all again for another one soon. Goodbye. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.